Neef, today he goes on Instagram and he made a reel of him shaving his head. He's like, here, if you guys want to know how I shave my head, I do it every day. Here's how I use it. Here's that little thing I use. And then I look at the comments, there's a bunch of men that are also shaving their heads. They're like, oh, damn, this is great advice. I actually need that thing.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
So you got to give people insight in who you are, right?
Absolutely. They need to know about, hey, another thing. What's my favorite food?
I could tell you right out of the gate, it's chicken wings.
What's funny is that people knew there was so many messages there that said it's chicken wings, which has become a part of like who I am to people, right? When we travel around the country, what inevitably happens?
We are knee deep in chicken wings.
Yes, people will come to meet us in a location. We went to that bar in New York City. The first thing that somebody handed to me was a plate of chicken wings.
Wow.
Yui does the meetup. What's the first thing that they have for food? Chicken wings.
Yeah.
Any time that you and I go and do something and they know I'm going to show up, the community is always like, we'll make sure that we got chicken wings for Jamil.
Or you're flying into town and somebody DMs you and goes, go try out this chicken wing spot.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. So again, this is a part of my personality that people know about, that people resonate with, that people either like, or if you're vegan, live through. Mm-hmm. But the facts is that by being able to share that, document it, and then let people resonate with that, it builds my personal brand.
Right.
Right. I could also be known for one more thing. What's that?
Being Canadian, Air Force shoes, gold chain.
Genie.
Oh, blue genie all day long.
Yes.
Yeah, blue genie.
Yes, right? So again, just a part of the brand. How do you extend it? So Pace, what would you say would be the 3 most Pace brand? I mean, I already know the one. I know the one. But what would you say those 3 things that symbolize and emblemize what Pace is?
The things that people bring up all the time are creative finance. Obviously, like that's number 1 for me, is that I wanted to be known as the creative. I didn't want to be known as a great creative finance person. I wanted to be known as the creative finance person. And I feel like I'm there, but I want to just continually dominate that.
Right.
Family man. And then the third one was maybe be my work ethic. Another one would be the community that I've built, right? These are things that stand out. People are like, you get other influencers that say stuff like, dude, it's scary what these guys are doing. Like what you and I are collectively doing is meshing our communities together and doing things that people in this real estate space haven't done. That's brand.